What if you never had to overthink a reply again on X, Reddit, Instagram, or Quora? This is Replix, a Chrome extension that writes human-sounding replies for you in seconds. And the key part, Replix never auto-posts. You review every reply so your account stays completely safe. You stay in full control. The AI just does the heavy lifting. On any post, Replix suggests 3 human replies. Pick one, click, done. That turns an hour of daily engagement into about 10 minutes. Just look at the before and after. The free plan gives you 50 replies a day, completely free. Posting heavily? Upgrades start at just $9, but honestly, start free.
Setup takes under a minute. Let me show you.
Enter your email, set a password, and hit verify. Create your account, and a confirmation email lands in your inbox.
Click confirm, and you're in.
Now just sign into your dashboard. Next, install the Chrome extension right from here. One click, no technical setup. Once it's installed, you'll get a personal token. Copy it, paste it into the extension, and you're connected. Now the fun part. Choose how you want to sound. Professional, witty, supportive, casual, whatever fits your brand. Save your settings, and you're ready. Let's see it live on X first. Watch how we reply to this post. One click, and 3 ready-made drafts appear. Look how natural these sound. No robotic AI tone. Pick the one you like, and it's pasted right into the reply box. You hit post yourself. That's why it feels authentic, and why your account never gets flagged. Replix also writes original tweets. Just tell it what you want to post about. For example, a tweet about Replix.social itself. And in seconds, there's your tweet. Ready to post, sharp and creative. Now let's go to Quora. It works exactly the same way. Replix reads the parent question and any existing answers, so its suggestions actually fit the conversation. Click Comments and paste your chosen reply. And post. That's it. Faster replies, better answers. Next up, Reddit. And this one matters because Reddit and Quora are gold for SEO and AI search visibility. AI tools constantly pull answers from these platforms. So showing up here grows your brand. Take this question. Which SEO books would you recommend? Hit AI reply, and here come 3 drafts. Let's pick this one, and look at that. A thoughtful, genuine answer, written in seconds. Do this consistently, and Reddit becomes a real traffic channel. And finally, Instagram. Same magic on comments. It even works on Reels. Open any reel and tap Replix. It reads the caption and drafts a comment that actually matches the content. Comments like these get you noticed, and that's how you turn engagement into followers fast. Your dashboard tracks everything. We've used 5 replies so far, and you can reset your token anytime. That's Replix, human replies in seconds, everywhere you post. Go to replix.social and start free. 50 replies a day.